Hello, I'm Axel and I'm a solo traveler and I'm traveling the Philippines.
I am on my way to Puerto Princesa. And this is one of those vans everybody talks about, which is supposed to be very packed. They were not packed, but they were alright, not too bad, I think.
So I guess zip lining is still on my bucket list here. I just saw the mangroves, which are the biggest area of mangroves in the Philippines. They are 30 meters high. They're higher than in South Florida. They had much more mangroves before, but they cut them down. But then they stopped, and now they have this area where they have mangroves. Mangroves. In this mangroves forest, you can also find the Filipino lizard. So the zip lining is around $8, something around 500 pesos. Totally okay, and that's how I want to do it. That's why I want to do it. But I'm walking again with flip-flops. I'm not really good in walking with flip-flops at all, and that's what tourists do. They do stupid things. I'm getting better. I'm getting much better in flip-flops since I'm here. So I'm all set up, ready to go, and waiting in line. I made it. Yeah, that was a fun thing to do.
Just a short boat ride from the town Sabang is the entrance to the 24-kilometer long subterranean river, which is part of the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Wow, what a long name. But it's also a World Heritage Site which contains a full mountain-to-sea ecosystem and has some of the most important forests in Asia. Only 1.2 kilometers of the underground river are free for tourists. It is estimated to be 23 million years old. Before my next flight to my next destination, I had some time to explore Puerto Princesa. Puerto Princesa has about 250,000 inhabitants, and it's a very clean town. Puerto Princesa has pretty cheap and good accommodation compared to El Nido, and the food was delicious. It was almost the best I had on my whole trip. In Puerto Princesa you find local markets, of course, and modern malls. This city is where you start or end your journey in Palawan. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Axel and see you in the next one.